to look at some of our concepts or fundamentals associated with mid block or medium block defending. Need to start with the objective. So what's the why behind what we're doing? Our goal is to attract the opposition up the field to create space for us to then counter into. And we also want to limit the space behind our back line. So by dropping off, there's less room for them to play in behind us. Some individual focus points, good body shape and movements to force the play into the width. We want to force the game wide and use the touchline as another defender. And then a switch of an aggressive pressing mentality once the opposition hit that pressing zone, which you'll see in the image. So it's really important as we sit off and we're patiently waiting for them to hit certain zones, we have to flip a switch and press full on. Line fundamentals, we're looking at concepts associated with our back line and our midfield line. It's really important that these lines keep their horizontal compactness because our goal in the end is really to deny central penetration and make the game naturally flow to the outside. And then the benefits, it's good to know that what this naturally does is it creates space for our quick attacking players to get in behind and create chances. Next, we look at the structure. It's a pretty good image here. We have two zones that we need to be aware of. So we start with the let them play zone. We want them to play in the zone. We want them to circulate. We're not going to chase it. We're just going to sit patiently and watch as they move the ball around. We want them eventually to then step into the press zone. Once they hit that press zone, everything's 100%. We're flying to the ball. We're making it really tough for them to play. If they play back again through the goalkeeper or center backs out of that zone, then we wait and then we rest. But again, we flip that switch. Once they hit the press zone, especially in the width where we can get them pinned up against the sideline, we have to go aggressive. So what we'll look at is a really good example from this, and this is from the friendly game between ourselves and Inter Minneapolis. We're playing from a 5-4-1 now. Josue sits off a little bit more as the ball's played. Ball gets hit to the outside back, and then we're able to aggressively press it. Our defender is able to jump on the ball and then attack the space. And we have good movement from the backside and a good finish. We'll look at it again. Again, looking at this, we have a 5-4-1 shape. Our midfield four is just sitting, waiting. We don't really press hard until they commit to that outside space. We can press it up against, and we win the ball, and we go.